site as well. Isa sa Vegas araw
Favorite ko yung ninja mo talaga. Naging ako yun. Sa favorite kanina.
si ate mo siya, Tek.
Ganun.
Is what a week it has been dito lamang sa MPN Arena, right?
Iba talaga ang lakas
Speaking of that, nakita a hard-fought match kontra sa Twisted Minds. Meanwhile, sa kabilang banda, ganun din naman ang Team Liquid Philippines as they stay undefeated with a threat coming in from the barangay.
And let's do a quick recap of what happened in the last few days with Team Falcons also on the winning streak.